Who gave you that, Rosie?
I can't give her surprise right now. She'll learn how to share it earlier. She'll learn how to.
Rosie, what is that?
Open it this way.
Rosie! 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 Rosie!
Oh no.
Rosie! 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 Rosie, you next time give me the Rosie, give me the Monster High for me.
Oh, you want Monster High too?
You like Monster High too, Mommy?
Since when the hell
Rosie,
did
give it to
Monster
me.
High?
I didn't know she likes Monster High.
Because Rosie likes it. Jessica. We bought it for Rosie.
Oh no, you didn't, Elvia.
Rosie, I got Monster High too. You want it? No.
Here, get rid of this. Let me see what you got.
Snow White. And you could put your MP3 on there too, Mija.
Oh my God, girl.
You put it on there. It's like a dance.
Who gave you that, Rosie? Tia Vita gave you that. Wow, who is that?
Which one's this one?
This one just wants her toy. No one's listening.
Who is that?
Shaking.
Here,
She wants her toy.
give her this toy too.
Does she have this toy? Or do I open it?
She doesn't have toys.
That one's for Susie. This one's for Susie. Oh, wait.
She just actually got 2 toys for
Can we open
Christmas.
the present then open the